Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about the power of weight loss motivation. Weight loss is a journey that many individuals embark on in order to improve their health and enhance their overall well-being. However, achieving and sustaining success in weight loss can be a challenging endeavor. One of the key factors that contribute to successful weight loss is motivation. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore the importance of weight loss motivation, strategies to ignite and sustain motivation, and actionable steps to achieve long-term success. Whether you're starting your weight loss journey or looking to reignite your motivation, this guide will equip you with the necessary tools to unleash the power of weight loss motivation. Understanding weight loss motivation. While motivation is important, it is crucial to recognize that it is not the sole determinant of weight loss success. Factors such as genetics, metabolism, and underlying health conditions also play a significant role. However, motivation serves as a key driver in initiating and maintaining the necessary lifestyle changes for weight loss. Setting realistic goals is important, but it is equally essential to challenge oneself and strive for continuous improvement rather than settling for mediocrity. It's crucial to strike a balance between setting achievable goals and pushing oneself beyond comfort zones to achieve optimal results. Overcoming obstacles and setbacks can be extremely challenging, and it's important to acknowledge that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. However, it's essential to adopt a resilient mindset, learn from setbacks, and adjust strategies accordingly. Viewing setbacks as opportunities for growth and course correction can contribute to long-term success. Cultivating weight loss motivation. While intrinsic motivators are powerful, it's important to recognize that external motivators, such as rewards or accountability partners, can provide valuable support and reinforcement along the way. A combination of intrinsic and extrinsic motivators can enhance overall motivation and help individuals stay on track. Visualization techniques can be helpful, but they should be complemented with practical strategies and action steps to ensure tangible progress. Visualization alone cannot replace consistent effort, discipline, and adherence to healthy habits. While tracking progress is useful, it's important to avoid becoming overly fixated on the numbers. Weight loss is not always linear, and there may be fluctuations due to factors like water retention or muscle gain. Focusing on non-scale victories, such as increased energy levels or improved fitness, can provide additional motivation and a more comprehensive view of progress. Sustaining weight loss motivation. Plateaus and boredom are common challenges during weight loss journeys. It's important to approach plateaus with patience and adjust expectations accordingly, rather than resorting to drastic measures or becoming demotivated. Plateaus can be an opportunity to reevaluate strategies, introduce new exercises, or reassess nutrition choices to break through the stagnant phase. Building a support system is beneficial, but it's important to remember that weight loss is an individual journey. While support from others can provide encouragement and accountability, the ultimate responsibility lies with the individual. Developing self-reliance and self-motivation is crucial for long-term success. Lifestyle changes are important, but it's essential to find a balance that works for each individual. Strict and rigid approaches may lead to burnout or an unhealthy relationship with food and exercise. Flexibility and moderation should be incorporated to ensure sustainability and enjoyment throughout the weight loss journey. Overcoming common challenges. Self-sabotage is a complex issue that requires self-reflection and addressing underlying emotional factors. It's important to seek professional help or therapy if needed to address deep-rooted issues. Developing self-awareness and employing strategies such as stress management techniques or mindful eating can help individuals overcome self-sabotaging behaviors. Staying motivated in the long run requires more than just external inspiration. It's important to develop intrinsic motivation and a sense of purpose beyond superficial goals or role models. Connecting weight loss goals to personal values, focusing on health improvements, and celebrating non-scale victories can foster intrinsic motivation that transcends external factors. While positive thinking is valuable, it should not dismiss the importance of acknowledging and addressing real challenges. A balanced mindset recognizes both the positive and negative aspects of the weight loss journey. Accepting setbacks, seeking support, and practicing self-compassion are essential components of maintaining motivation during challenging times. By considering these counter-arguments, the article provides a comprehensive perspective on weight loss motivation, taking into account potential challenges and encouraging a realistic and balanced approach to weight loss. Conclusion. In conclusion, weight loss motivation plays a vital role in achieving and sustaining success in weight loss endeavors. By adopting a resilient mindset, developing self-awareness, and practicing self-compassion, individuals can stay motivated and focused on their weight loss goals. With the right mindset, effective strategies, and a supportive environment, individuals can overcome obstacles and achieve their weight loss goals, leading to improved physical health, enhanced self-esteem, and a better quality of life. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.